Hey, guess what? Today we're going on an adventure. But which way should we go? Well, don't worry, because today you'll learn how to never get lost, because we're learning the cardinal directions. So let's go. So first, what are cardinal directions? Well, imagine you're outside. You can go forward, backwards, left, or right. But what if you need to tell someone exactly where to go? Well, that's where cardinal directions come in. You see, there are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. And we can remember them as N, S, E, and W. And here's the cool part. These directions never change. North is always north, everywhere on Earth. So let's meet them. So north is at the top of most maps. Think of the North Pole, snowy and cold. North is usually red. South is at the bottom. Go far south and you'll reach Antarctica, where penguins live. South is usually blue. East is on the right. The sun rises in the east, and east is usually yellow, like the sunrise. West is on the left. The sun sets in the west. West is usually green. And want to know a silly trick to actually remember them? Well, say this: never eat soggy waffles. Let's say it again. Never eat soggy waffles. And what that means is never starts with N, so does north. Eat starts with E, so does east. Soggy starts with S, like south. And waffles, well, that's W, and that's for west. Never eat soggy waffles. Now you'll always remember north, east, south, and west. So now let's practice. Imagine your house is in the middle of this map. The school is north of your house. That means it's above your house, so you'll have to walk north. The park is south, below your house, so now you'll have to walk south. The library is east, on the right, so head east. And the ice cream shop is west, on the left, so now it's time to go west. Now you can tell anyone exactly where things are. And people use directions all the time, from pirates, pilots, hikers, even weather forecasters. So here's a quick game. I'll say a direction and you point. So which way is north? That's right, it's up. How about west? That's right, it's left. What about south? Yep, down there. And what about east? Awesome, it's to the right. You've learned it. Now you know the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. And remember, never eat soggy waffles. North is up, east is right, south is down, and west is left. So thanks for exploring with Hey Guess What? And we'll see you on the next adventure.